Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable or use circle to search in Redmi 14C device. So for this guys, first of all, we have to go to Play Store and here we have an application of circle to search. So just install this application guys, and after installing just open the application. So open up the application and go to and accept privacies and policies. Now make sure to go to setting and enable circle to search like this. Okay, now go back guys, and we have to use it by pressing home button so that the circle to search will be enabled. Now let's see, but no, isn't working by this. So we can use it by going to application, just press it and then accept it. So just circle anywhere, and that's how we can use it in Redmi 14C device. As we cannot use it by home button, but we can use by tapping on the application and it will be appear. So that's how we can use it. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.